Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to repost a post on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to share valuable content with your network while adding your own perspective and insights. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your LinkedIn profile. This step is essential as it gives you access to your feed and all the content shared by your connections. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn feed. Now it's time to scroll through and find the specific post you want to repost. This could be an article from a thought leader, an update from a colleague, or any content that resonates with you and that you think would be valuable to share with your own network. Take your time browsing until you locate the exact post you're looking for. Once you've found the post, look towards the bottom section of that post. Here you'll see several interaction options, including like, comment, and send. Among these options, you'll notice one that says repost. This is the feature that allows you to share the content directly to your own feed and with your connections. Click on Repost to proceed to the next step. After clicking Repost, a small menu will appear giving you two distinct options. You can choose either Repost with your thoughts or simply Repost. The first option allows you to add your own commentary and perspective to the post, making it more personal and engaging for your audience. The second option shares the post as is without any additional input from you. For this example, let's click on Repost with your thoughts, as this tends to generate more engagement and shows your unique viewpoint. Once you select Repost with your thoughts, a text box will appear on your screen. This is where you can input your thoughts about that post. Take this opportunity to explain why you're sharing it, what insights you've gained from it, or how it relates to your professional experience. Adding meaningful commentary not only provides context for your connections, but also encourages conversation and interaction on your post. After you've finished writing your thoughts and are satisfied with what you've added, look for the Post button, typically located at the bottom right of the text box. Click on Post to finalize and share the repost with your network. Your connections will now be able to see both the original post and your valuable insights attached to it. And that's it. You've successfully reposted content on LinkedIn with your own personal touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.